Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're fine. I'm going to ask you something. So, have you found yourself like you know the right words to say, but your mind goes blank and it seems that you cannot find the right words to say and you cannot say anything in English. You know in Tagalog, however, you cannot even say it exactly what you mean. So, is this a problem? Paano ba tayo matututo mag-English? So, I'm going to show you on my next video ways on how to be fluent or how will we get or acquire the right words to say. And before anything else guys, please consider subscribing so for you to get a weekly information or daily information my blog. So let's dive into it. Hi, I'm back again guys, and the question is how are we going to acquire or write the words to say in English? So paano ba matututo at saan natin makuha yan? So number one on my list is listening. So listening is very important. Listening to English conversation by searching on Google, or you just have to locate that or search that the keywords on Google or the website by which it can give you vocabulary words and expression and the right words to say. It can offer you sometimes an audio to listen, like kung paano natin bibigkasin ang mga kataga at mga words so we can say it in a nice way or in an appropriate way. And the second one here is by trying to search on YouTube. So you can actually find, like, enter keywords, like find a tutorials on YouTube by which they're teaching how to pronounce the words, the sound, how it was being presented or used in a sentence, and also you will know how to apply it in a logical sense, or you can actually dissect or the usage, the correct usage and the grammar, how it was being used or formed. Okay, so sa YouTube talaga you can find all of the tutorials that you need. Okay, so in particular the English words, the common expression in English. And for me, one or another source of information by which I can actually search for expressions, useful English expression or vocabulary words is by checking the website wherein I can test myself, like from 1 to 10 it will give you a complete list of the beginners, advanced, or the middle or intermediate tests by which you can test yourself. Like at the end of the test, you're going to evaluate your result. You're going to see the test result or the test score, in which you know what the reason why you failed or why you got that score. It can give you the right information by which you can really test yourself by doing the practical exams online. So actually have a practice on it, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, by usually doing that, or you can get used to it, like doing an exam or practical exams, a short quiz or short exams online. And lastly, okay, so you can also join and find a group which caters to public speaking, wherein public speaking, with same interests, with same vision to empower you on really how to practice and speak up in front of the public, because that's the number one fear of many people. First is like that, second is public speaking. So even professionals are not exempted from public speaking. Even though they finish something, they are successful, but and yet they cannot present in front of many people. So just practice, keep on practicing, and really knowing well what your topics are and how to present it in a nice way, in a logical way, then you can achieve your goal of uh, get used of presenting with your boss or with your colleagues or with your friends. And also guys, let me know your comments, or if you have something to add in my video today, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I want your feedback about my presentation today. Thank you and have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video. Okay.